Hey guys, and welcome to this guitar lesson. We'll be covering Wolves by Selena Gomez. I really love the guitar part on it, so I figured I'd break it down for you and have the tabs up in the corner. Here we go. And here it is at half speed. Alright, so that was Wolves. It's a pretty simple part. It's basically two note chords with the root and the third, and then it adds in the open B string. And you'll notice in the chorus the chords change up. It starts on the G and then it walks up. So if you wanted, this is kind of how I play it. I do it kind of like this. And you can play around with those. I think it's a really cool guitar part. So that's it. Be sure to subscribe, comment what you think, and let me know if you have any questions. Adios.